Sole traders, HMRC thinks you underpaid. Don't hand over a penny until you've watched this first. HMRC have started firing out these little brown letters telling sole traders they've miscalculated their tax and now owe more money. But here's the part most people don't understand. These letters aren't coming from a human being reviewing your return. No one is checking your figures line by line. The biggest mistake people make when they get one of these letters is they panic, assume HMRC must be right, and they pay it. Do you know how many times HMRC are actually wrong? So don't pay it. That's exactly how people end up handing over hundreds, sometimes thousands they never actually owed. Here's what you do properly. Step 1. Log into your HMRC account, not the app, the full portal online. Download your SA 302. That's your tax calculation. This is the actual figure you submitted. This is your evidence. Step 2. Compare your SA 302 to HMRC's new figure. They'll usually show a revised number in the letter or in your online account. This is where you ask yourself, have they added income that isn't mine? Have they ignored expenses I've already claimed? Have they inflated my payments on account for no reason? Have they suddenly slapped on student loan deductions I don't owe? Have they assumed benefits or bank interest that aren't accurate? You're not checking whether you messed up, you're checking whether their system has pulled the wrong data. Step 3. You challenge anything that doesn't look right. And yes, you're allowed to push back. HMRC aren't gods. You can request a line-by-line breakdown, ask which third-party data triggered the mismatch, explain why their revised figure is wrong, provide evidence, or file a simple amendment if you did genuinely make an error. But you do not sit there quietly and accept their number just because it's printed on government paper. Step 4. Respond quickly. This part is critical. If you ignore the letter or leave it too long, HMRC will assume their calculation is correct and lock it in. Once that happens, it becomes legally owed, even if their data was wrong from the start, and interest begins ticking from day one. This is why people get absolutely blindsided with follow-up letters, penalties, and payment demands. Not because they did anything dodgy, but because they didn't know how to handle HMRC's automated corrections.